Hey everyone, welcome back. Before we jump into some pretty cool things here and how to manipulate images, I have a couple of plugins that I want to showcase to you. So you may know some of them already, but the one that I want to talk about first is a plugin called Unsplash. So you're going to need this plugin to follow along with me. Here it is. It is called Unsplash. So you'll get that in the community section. So you just need to install that plugin. And this is what it looks like. You can come to the editorial section and, click an image that you'd like, and it's going to pop up right there. Or if you have like a frame or a rectangle or a shape, you can go ahead and select that image and it'll just pop right in there as a fill. So that is how Unsplash is going to work. You can search for different things, like if you want portraits, like I have one below, you'll be able to get those portraits really easily and without actually just leaving Figma, which is super, super helpful. So definitely grab this plugin called Unsplash. Now, the second plugin I want to talk about is called Remove Background. So I'm just grabbing this image here just for a quick demonstration. Now, here is the plugin. So you'll notice before you can actually use this plugin, you need to sign up for an account. It's a free account on their website. So you need to go ahead and set the API key. And once you have an account, they'll give you instructions on how to complete that. It's super easy. You just sign up for a free account. Then you'll go and copy this long key and you'll paste it into an input box right here when you click this button. So you'll just set that API key down here. Now, once you have that API key set, everything is going to be able to work. You need to first select an image, and it's going to only really work really well with images that have a nice clear background. So in this case, this lady here has a nice background right around her. We can either cut this out with the pen tool, which will take a long time. So you'll have to go something like this, over and over again, and it's gonna take a long time, and you'll have to use masks to do it. But you can just right click, go to plugins, go to remove background, and run. You'll see it running in the background right here, and there you go. So this is going to be really helpful if you have images that you just want to remove the background from, if you want to use them for landing pages or make some interesting layouts with like different elements around the image without that background. It's going to be super, super helpful. So those are the two plugins that you're going to need to follow along. So that is Unsplash and Remove Background.